The different types of truck washes. There are many types of services available when it comes to truck washes. Whether you're looking for a basic wash or something more comprehensive, there's sure to be an option for you. Some of the most popular types include Basic Wash. This service is designed to clean your truck from top to bottom quickly. It usually includes a basic wash, wax, and polish. Full Service Wash. This service may be the way to go if you want something more comprehensive. It usually includes full detailing, steam cleaning, and buffing to make your truck look new. Interior Cleaning. Interior cleaning is an absolute must for those who spend a lot of time on the road. This service will ensure that all your surfaces are clean and sanitized. Polishing and Waxing. This service is the way to go if you want a long-lasting shine. It usually includes buffing, polishing, and waxing your truck to give it a showroom-like finish. No matter which type of truck washes you choose, you can be sure that your vehicle will look as good as new when it's done. Clean truck, happy driver. Keeping your truck in tip-top condition is more than just for show. It is also vital to ensure safe navigation on the road. With GPS tracking systems installed, companies can easily keep track of their drivers' whereabouts and travel routes at all times, providing an extra layer of safety. Here's a trusted GPS tracking tool we recommend. Affiliate disclaimer: Frate Chain is supported by our viewers. When you purchase through links on our site, we may earn an affiliate commission that helps keep our website and all its content. Thank you. Learn more. Motive is the ultimate ELD provider for managing your delivery fleet. With GPS tracking, service hours monitoring, and inspection reports accessible on your mobile device, you won't regret checking out all of the fantastic benefits. Check out Motive today.